Hi dear viewers and victorious creators of my channel. Today I'm doing a Valentine's Day shopping haul. Yes, this is my first one of 2022 and I hope I'll cut back on shopping hauls because it's very difficult to earn money and spend it on decorations. Yes, I bought all these items and I'm going to use them for DIYs and probably selling them online. I'll have some good news soon and you may visit my Instagram meanwhile to check out when all the DIY items will be on sale. So let's start from this side. I got this from Dollar Tree. All of the items are from Dollar Tree, by the way, and I have seen some of them in other stores as well, like these ones they sell at Joann's Fabric. These ones they sell in all kinds of stores. Of course, you may find this type of wooden sticks, also the garlands, in other stores as well. Hopefully you appreciate my nail polish today, as the color of the year of tiger is lilac / lavender, so I used that nail polish that I was keeping and I decided to use it for my haul video. The roses I got for decorating some of my DIY items. Not sure which ones yet, but very soon I'll see what I can do with this, because they look kind of natural a little bit compared to other types of roses that have not natural look, taken away the shine, of course, the blings. Okay, this one is a garland and I may use this for fashion jewelry as well as for clothing items or baskets for different types of parties. You may use also for centerpieces. And by the way, I have an idea. If any of my YouTube friends or followers or subscribers, whoever has questions regarding where they can use their items that purchased from Dollar Tree or 99-cent store, just because they were cute, that's why they bought, but they didn't know where to use them, please let me know. Just message me, DM me on Instagram or write me a comment and I'll help you with those questions, because I'm sure that some of us just purchase items because they are cute. They look nice, but when we come home we say, why did I buy this again? And we forgot already. Okay, so this is another color. Again, will be used for baskets, for different types of jewelry items. These are also for DIY, but not jewelry. It's for just parties, like V-Day party, birthday party, different types of showers, baby showers, etc. This one is for jewelry making, of course. These ones are for parties, but I'm thinking of using them for jewelry making as well, but it's a special secret. If I make them, I will let you know how am I gonna use them. Not simply taking and sticking them somewhere, no. I'm gonna use it somehow else. You will learn. This one, of course, for jewelry making. Yes, they don't look like Swarovski crystals, but still you may use them for jewelry pieces that are made with soutache technique. Hopefully you know what soutache is. Wooden sticks, of course, for parties, for birthdays, for different types of charcuterie boards. Valentine's Day party, because it has this cute heart at the end. By the way, wooden heart. These ones you may use for Valentine's Day tree. That's what I was thinking of making. If you live in an area where you have trees that have branches that are dead, you may make beautiful Valentine's Day heart branch for your bedroom or even as a centerpiece for your Valentine's Day table. Now this one's again for parties. You may use for baskets, for bouquets, just stick them inside your bouquets. Then I have found these 2 packs of hearts, by the way, wooden hearts. These you may use for different types of Valentine's Day trays. I was thinking of using for a tray, a basket, etc., etc. You may use these ones as well for different purposes. This is not together, I just attached. Here, this is separate. Check out. You may use this for bouquets, for different types of balloon sets, etc., or your centerpiece. This one is a cute thing. This heart inside, it's a paper heart, and it has a place where you may drop some other types of notes. So you may write some wish notes on a small heart-shaped pieces and drop inside this, and then you start playing a game like asking your partner or your boyfriend or girlfriend to shake the box, and whatever drops first, let them do whatever is written on that paper. Either it may say kiss me or hug me, etc., etc. It's a nice game type of thing, so go and get some for your friends. It can be also a good gift for your friends. The next one is again a pack of foam hearts in pink color. I have this one in red color, but I like pink more. And finally I have this cute, nice fan, which is also for charcuterie board, or you may use it as a cooler for yourself during the hot summer evenings when you go for different types of concerts or even parties. But I'm usually using this type of things for charcuterie boards. That's it. I'm sure that you may still find a bunch of these items at your Dollar Tree stores or even at 99-cent only stores. So go ahead and get some of these items and let's do DIYing. Hope you like my today's haul video, and if you like it, please don't forget to put your thumbs up. If this is your first visit, please subscribe and press on that small notification bell so you will learn about my future videos. Thanks for staying with me till this moment, and see you in my next video. Bye bye everyone.